The best life advice I ever got came from a 3rd century warlord known for being a ruthless tyrant. His name was Cao Cao, and he lived during the total collapse of an empire. Chaos was everywhere. But instead of just being a villain, he was a masterclass in how to be human when the world is falling apart. Take this. After defeating a massive rebel army, he had hundreds of thousands of prisoners. The standard move was to execute them. Instead, he turned them into farmers. He gave them land and tools, solving his food shortage and turning a huge problem into a productive community. He transformed conflict into collaboration. Later, he was on the verge of conquering all of China when he suffered a catastrophic defeat. His entire fleet was burned, his armies shattered. It was a public, humiliating failure. But he didn't seek revenge or wallow in it. He went home, focused on strengthening his own territory, and made it more prosperous than ever. He taught that one epic failure doesn't define you. It's what you do the day after that counts. The most insane part? A rival warlord who had once betrayed him and killed his son in a surprise attack wanted to surrender to him years later. Instead of revenge, Cao Cao welcomed him, gave him a high-ranking post, and even formed a marriage alliance. He set aside his deepest personal pain for a bigger strategic goal. He wasn't a hero. He was complicated, brutal, and brilliant. His life shows that people are messy. The real lesson isn't about being perfect. It's about being resilient, pragmatic, and understanding that strength is shown in how you recover and rebuild.